Good evening, everyone. It is November 30th, 2015, a Tuesday. No, it's Monday. Sorry, it's Monday. And it's Banana Day today. I did not eat rice the whole day today because there are times when I don't feel like eating rice. And our banana plant was kind enough to give a lot of fruits, a lot of produce from the plant. So I'm eating now all the bananas. Bananas, I heard, are good for the heart. Those with heart failures are advised to eat bananas, right? Bananas are good for everyone. I love bananas. Okay, thank you and have a nice